5:23 on Sunday morning, and I'm trying to get this shot of the hatching of a... Oh, by the way, this is the journey of the Monarch. So I am down here trying to get that shot. I just swapped out cameras because I am trying to get the hatching of number 3, number 2, or number 1. Number 1 hatched, and we let her go 4 days ago. Unfortunately, she wound up with a broken wing before we were able to release her, and the wife had to even out the wings. The second one we let go yesterday, and unfortunately I was videoing 3 things at the same time, and my camera was off when I was recording the release. And this is number 3, and I've just swapped out cameras on that one. Hopefully we'll get that. And over here, this little guy over here, if I can see it, I've got green. I've got all green. Okay. There he is. Went into chrysalis last night, and I figure I was like within a half hour of watching him go. So I did not get a video of that. Now, this guy here and this guy here, their chrysalises are about half the size of the last 3, the last 4, because I've got one right here. So that's 1, where are you? 1, 2, 3, and you're number 4 in size. So my question is, are the bigger ones the females? And we're going to get that question answered. All right. Let's see if we have a new Monarch. Oh, yes, we do. Oh, wow, is she beautiful? Yeah. I don't know. Camera's dead, so I don't know if we got a shot. There she is, boys and girls. Awesome. And I think this one's next. So we got a new one over here as of yesterday. See if we see any more. There we go, this one. There's another one. And a little one. I don't know if there's any more eggs in that old. buried very deep in that stuff. Huh. Alright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch you on the next journey of the Monarch.